the first part of this video, India size and location, we discuss about the India size and location in detail. Okay. Now in this video, we discuss about the figures that's given in this chapter. In this part of the video, India size and location, we discuss about the maps that given in this chapter. First map that we see here, India and world. Okay. In this map we see the continents and the seas and oceans of the world. Here we see the Asia continents, that's the largest continent of the world, in which our India country is located. The second continent is Africa, third continent is North America, fourth is South America, and fifth is Antarctica that we see here. Okay. Now next continent is Europe, and the last and smallest continent is Australia that we found here in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, beside the Indian Ocean. We also see the oceans, or we found oceans on the earth named Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Antarctica Ocean, that's also called the Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean that we found here. Okay. When we go from here to there, Pacific Ocean are same. Here is also Pacific Ocean. When we move from here, then we come here. Okay. Because the earth is round. Okay, the shape of earth is spherical, so when we go there, then we come here. Okay, so Pacific oceans are same, or sea, or found both sides of the given map. Okay, so the numbers of the oceans are 5, but somewhere we found the 7 number of the oceans. So we see how the oceans are 7. We see a Pacific Ocean. Pacific Oceans are is divided into two parts, in North Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, and South Pacific Ocean. Same as Atlantic Ocean is also divided into two parts, North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Okay. In this way, we see here in this map 7 continents and 7 oceans in the world. India is located north side of Indian Ocean. Okay. Now we see the next map. 7 largest country of the world. Okay. This is given according to the source of United Nations Demographic Yearbook 2015. Now we learn about it. This graph shows us the size of the countries from large to small. Okay. Now we see here the first or the largest country of the world is Russia, that found in the continent of Asia, or Asia continent. That area is 17.09 million square kilometer. Second country, Canada, found in North America, that area is 9.98 million square kilometer. That is take second position in the world, and third position of the country, next country, USA, means United States of America, got third position in the world in area with 9.83 million square kilometer. And on fourth number, China, that found in Asia continent, with the area 9.60 million square kilometer. And next means fifth number got Brazil, that found in the South America continent with 8.51 million square kilometer. And the sixth number got Australia with
7.69 million square kilometer. And on the 7th number in the world, the country India, that found in Asia continent, it placed on 7th number with 3.28 million square kilometer. Therefore, we see the largest countries name of the world, in which Russia, China and India found in Asia continent. Now we see the next map that's given in the chapter, India extent and standard meridian. Okay, that figure number 1.3. The width of the country from 6 degree 7 minute to 9 degree to 5 minute east. Okay, total length is 2933 kilometers. Same as we see here, from top to bottom means 337 degrees 6 minute to 8 degree 4 minute of latitudes. The total length from north to south is 3214 kilometers. Okay, now we see here the topic of Cancer, that latitude is 23 degree and half north. Okay, that name is topic of Cancer. Okay, in the east part of the map we see here Bay of Bengal, and the west part of the map we see here Arabian Sea. Okay, in the southern part of India, that surrounded or that make borders from the waters, from three sides, this area is called Peninsula. Okay, because we know that the area or the land that surrounded by three sides with the water, that's called the peninsula. When we see any map, we must be know about the directions. Okay, we must be know about the directions. What's the direction? Okay, when we put the map rightly in front of us, then the upper side is north and the right side is east and west, left side is west and the south side is, or the below side is called south. Okay, and a word we must be also know that news, the word news makes with the names of the directions, NEWS. With these letters or with this word, the word make news. Okay, now we see the next map, 1.4 or figure, India on international highway of trade and commerce. Okay, in this map we see the trades and commerce from India to other countries. There are two ways of trade. One way is airways and second is seaways. Okay, here is airways, and the dotted lines are show us about the seaways. Okay, I mean seaways or sea routes, or the straight lines are show us airways or air routes. It means from the highways or aeroplanes we go from India to another countries for trading and commerce, and with the dotted line means sea area we also go from our country to another country for trade and commerce. Okay, well, now we see here the four stations in India that we see here. Here is Delhi, is Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. There are four main centers of the country India. It's the very important role of the canal, Suez Canal. This is the largest canal of the world, and also this is the very busiest canal of the world. Okay, because all ships comes from Europe to the southern or Southeast Asia from this canal. Okay, the main stoppages of airways from India to another countries are Japan, okay, Thailand, Australia, Malaysia, Pakistan, Iran, Syria, okay, and the waterways also Tanzania, Malaysia, Russia, sorry, China, and Japan also. Now we see the next map of this chapter is India adjacent countries, means the country that make border from India. Okay, now we see here Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. These countries make borders, land borders, okay, from this country, and two other countries that make sea boundaries from this country, I mean India. One is Sri Lanka and the second is Maldives. Okay, there are 9 countries that make borders from this country India, in which 7 countries make land boundaries and 2 countries make sea boundaries. Land boundaries make Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh, and sea boundaries that make Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay, there are 9 countries that make borders from this country India. We see here the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal found in east side of this country, and Arabian Sea found in west side of this country. Here are we see here the Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. 23 degree 30 minute north latitude, named Tropic of Cancer, passes from 8 states of the country India, named Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. They are 8 states of the country from where the line Tropic of Cancer passes. We see the dotted line Tropic of Cancer. Okay.